AI is changing how we work, how we make decisions, even how we think. But can we trust it? Only if we build it right. Let's take a look at ethical practices and implications at ABBYY. So how do we make AI trustworthy? It starts with knowing what ethical practice really means, here at ABBYY, and for you. Let's start by defining what ethics actually looks like at ABBYY, not as a policy, but as a practice. Ethics here isn't a checklist, it's a mindset, built into our products and reflected in our culture. 6 core principles shape our AI development: transparency, fairness, accountability, privacy, robustness, and human-first thinking. And these principles are more than words on a slide. They guide how we think, design, and act. Let's take a closer look at these principles one by one. Transparency means clearly explaining how our AI works, what data it uses, how it makes decisions, and how outcomes are reached. We aim to foster understanding by providing insight into the logic and processes behind our AI systems. Fairness stands for detecting and avoiding bias, so that outcomes are equitable and no group is unfairly impacted. We test for fairness at every stage. When we talk about accountability, we mean owning our decisions. Every AI risk is tracked, assigned, and monitored, with people responsible for ethical oversight. Privacy is built in from day one, not added on later. From encryption to data minimization, we protect what matters most. Robustness ensures our AI works reliably in the real world, not just in a lab. That means testing, monitoring, and secure design. And lastly, the human-centric design keeps people at the core. Our AI enhances human judgment. It never replaces it. We design every system to keep humans in control because ethical AI starts with empathy and ends with accountability. But ethics doesn't exist in a bubble. It's shaped by the world around us, especially by law. We align with global frameworks like GDPR, the EU AI Act, and FTC policies, and we also help define tomorrow's standards. In 2025, ABBYY published its AI risk management policy. It makes AI risk transparent, measurable, and accountable. Our AI risk register tracks risks across the lifecycle. Each risk is prioritized and responded to with clear ownership and follow-through. Our ethical toolbox includes bias monitors, risk logs, escalation roles, and governance checks, tools that actively reduce risk. But we don't stop with ourselves. We partner with For Humanity to co-create AI audit standards, raising the ethical bar across the industry. We are also working with law plus data to build explainable, traceable AI in regulated sectors such as banking and insurance. But ethical leadership isn't just strategic, it's practical. Ethics lives in daily decisions, design reviews, customer feedback, and team reflection. And that includes you. Whether you write code, manage data, or support customers, every decision helps build ethical technology. So take a moment to reflect. Where did ethics show up in your work this week? And where will it show up tomorrow? Because those everyday decisions shape something bigger. At ABBYY, we build technology rooted in trust through innovation and integrity. Thanks for learning with us. Explore more at trust.abby.com.